goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inadmissible in my physical. Habitual, it's inexplicable.
Hey guys, welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm here once again. This is gonna be on one I haven't really seen anything on. But the stock card looked nice and it's a 13x6, so I figured why not. This one's also in FS430. It's the same color as this unit. I'm thinking it's gonna look similar. This is the Harlem 125 Swiss lace 13x6 ear to ear parting. The name of it is FLS52. This is what the stock card looks like. I like the color that she's wearing. It looks like a light purplish. So this is what it looks like straight out of the box. And I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this S430 looks a little lighter than Outre's. So this is Harlem 125 and this is Outre's. This one looks a bit more brown and the blonde streaks look a little more prominent. It looks pretty long, looks longer than this one, which I don't know how because this one goes all the way down to my butt. It looks like it has some baby hairs in the front. I couldn't really find any with Maya, but it looks like it has some stragglers. 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps. And unlike this unit, these straps aren't actually inside. So I'm gonna try it on and see what it's looking like. So this is what it's looking like with the lace still on. These feel like soft waves, and I definitely think this is a soft Yaki texture. The waves seem a little bit looser than the previous unit I was just wearing, the Outre Maya. But I like them. This is actually shorter than the Maya unit. It comes like right under my boobs. The Maya went just below my belly button. This is what it looks like in the back. This one more so comes underneath my bra strap. I think with this one I'm going to do a middle part just to switch it up a little bit, because I tend to go with either ponytails or side parts pretty often, so I'll try something a little bit different with this one. So this is what it's looking like with the lace cut off. So I always have a hard time finding baby hairs. Like you kind of wouldn't even really need them with this. I mean, if you did like a middle part like I'm gonna do.
Rock. So Messiah. World War II. Rhyme singers. I could be the last of the classical acts of modern times. I'm the Nina Simone of rappers. Got a bag of black magic stashed in a rather elaborate package stick to the spine. The upper echelons of humankind. You and I ain't in the same vicinity, so you'll never be suited for my secluded climb. This Guggenheim shit in your arts and crafts. Most of your peers won't come close to the whiz. And truth be told, none of these lying cats ever had the heart to last. So much building got them calling me the architect. And so you'll never catch me rhyming about my ass. But my past 3 albums was about astral travel, but I never saw a magazine, a blog, a feature market that. And the awkward fact is that I still spit spheres around your top 5 pigs. So if you callin' that shit fly, then I go Mach 5 10. I'm a dot I's, cross T's, the cause easy. But nowadays they need a hand deciphering writing is complex, so I call my first verse to every song my prosthesis. And when the introduction's over, I proceed to shake up their confidence and their MC they sponsor like Grandma Seasons. I'm all seasons. I don't give a goddamn about a pop fan putting me inside their top 10. I do not plan to drop fan, Church Red. I can hit a hot fan, your senses with some senses, sentences down and up stand at the Southside Showcase with a straight face and a turn pink. And when I'm done, I throw a deuce up in the atmosphere. Come in peace, or you might get your Adam's apple spit. With all these sharp-witted lines and verses, I'm a threat to any opponents I find roaming through them atmospheres. And they wonder why I can be so cavalier about it. I run with a team of champions, let's be clear about it. Trust me, I can bullshit my first 12 bars and lead a Final 4 with a winning shot that surprises everybody. Cause I'm a lyrical beast.
I kind of like it a little bit more than the Maya, since it's the S430, but the 4 in this seems a bit lighter than Outre's. So this is Oh, actually, this isn't everything to the front. This is everything to the front. Let me just back up a little bit. It's everything to the front. It's a side look. And everything to the back. Yeah, that's honestly about it though, which is great because I feel like this could definitely be a throw on and go because you don't have to worry about all the work of like put down the baby hairs, cut them, swoop them down, make it look natural, try to lay it down right. Like it doesn't even seem like you need to put any heat to this. I haven't put any heat to press this down. It just kind of seems like it sits naturally. Like I am definitely a fan of this. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much all I have to say about this. I'm a fan of it. It's definitely big head friendly because I have it adjusted to the tightest settings and it fits my head snug, but I can feel that extra that you get sometimes when you tighten it, but I don't really necessarily think you can see it. I guess that'd probably be just the only downside, I guess, to this. I don't like when there's certain units that are so big head friendly that for people with smaller heads, it's like we have all that slack in the back and we gotta like tuck it in and try to figure out a way to not make it look lumpy, but I don't know. I definitely would get this unit again. And if you have a larger size head, I definitely would suggest it for you because I think you'd have a lot of wiggle room in here. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for checking out my channel and I hope to see you guys again. Bye.
I run with a team of champions, let's be clear about it. Trust me, I can bullshit my first 12 bars and lead a final four with a winning shot that surprises everybody. Cause I'm a lyrical beast in a street gym. Godzilla's gladiator with a motherfucking ink pen. I got armor Roberts, moonlighting as my henchman. The dopest rhyme slayers from out the deep end. Sorry.